Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok account in 2021. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is just open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, either one, and search for TikTok. And then once we find it, we're just going to download and install the app. And then once it's installed, we're just going to open it. And then once you open up TikTok for the first time, you'll have the option to sign up with your phone number or email, with your Facebook account, or with your Google account. I'm going to click Google account just for simplicity's sake. And then I'm just going to choose the Google account that I want to make my TikTok account with. And then once you've chosen the method that you want to create your account with, you're going to have to come up with a username. And don't worry, you can always change this at a later date. So I'm just going to pick a random username here, and I'm going to hit sign up. And then once you've picked out your username, guys, you are in. You don't need to verify your email or anything. You have created a TikTok account in 2021. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Or if you guys have any suggestions for tutorials we should cover in the future, you can leave those in the comments as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, of course, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.